Today I'm going to show you how to crop a blazer. Time for Tailoring Tuesday.
The challenging part about cropping a blazer is that we have to keep the shape of the curved hem while we shorten it. The first step is that we're going to unpick the entire hem of the blazer. Then we're going to turn the blazer completely inside out. You'll notice that the lining is going to be shorter than the self fabric. That's normal, but when we cut, we just have to line them up so that we have an equal measurement that we're cutting off. For the front blazer with the curved hem, we're going to shape it with a French curve. You'll also notice that the lining is lapped where the facing meets the lining, so we just have to cut accordingly to that shape. Here's a closer look at the other side. You can always use the original hem that you cut off as a reference for your new hem. To prepare the blazer for the sewing machine, you're just going to line up the lining and the self, and you're going to be sewing with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. When you get to the notched part where the facing meets the lining, you're just going to adjust and sew according to the curve. For the curved part, you're going to leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance for a seamless finish. When both sides are done, you're going to flip the blazer right side out through the center panel of the blazer. Then you can start pressing your self and lining in place. Make sure that the lining is shorter than the self. This part gets completely hand sewn with an invisible stitch. Moving back to the front panels, remember how we have a lapped lining? We're just going to match the length of it to the back panel we just finished and iron in place. The last thing we need to sew down is the vent opening, and we're just going to top stitch following the existing stitch line on both vents. And now you successfully cropped your blazer while keeping a curved hem.